How to play games on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on a device and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on the chat section at the bottom of the screen and select any of the chats over here. Now over here on the message box or in the same line of the message box, you can see there's no rocket icon option. So this means we do not have the option or feature to play games on Snapchat. So let's get back and go to the Play Store application just to make sure you have an updated version of the Snapchat application. So let's tap on the search bar and search for Snapchat. And here it says we have an update available. So you can simply tap on the update option and start updating the application. And after the app is updated, you can just go and relaunch Snapchat. And if that does not help you out, you can just go for the help center and ask for help from the Snapchat team. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.